Welcome guys. If you want to put the screen protector on your HUAWEI MatePad T10, at the first you have to clean your screen, and it will be really good if you have a good light source to see every fingerprint and pieces of the dust on the screen, like in my case. So when you open your screen protector box, you'll be able to get, of course, the screen protector, wipes. In this case I have only the dry wipe, so I have to bring the wet one. So I'll take just a piece of the paper, and then we can take this cleaner. It will be really good if you have alcohol with it in it, so it will be much faster to clean all that mess on the screen. So let's start with the wet. Okay, let's take another part. And right now we can take the dry one. It will be also really good if you have some stickers or duct tape to take off the rest of the dust from the screen, because sometimes when we use the wipe, it's only going to get worse and we will get more pieces of the dust on the screen. But I'll show you how we can put it without the stickers. So just check the screen right now, and as you can see right now it looks much better. So right now we can grab our screen protector, and do it slowly. When you take it off, and right now just take a look on the screen and just take all of this dust from the screen to avoid the air bubble after applying the screen protector. I think it's cool right now, it looks really good. So right now we can start. I think we can go from the left side, so put it like that. And now just put it on the right side also. So as you can see right now, it is going to stick to our screen almost automatically. We don't have even use our hands. If you have some bubbles under the screen protector, you have to just push it with your finger like that. And after that you can also use the dry wipe to clean it one more time. Okay, and as you can see right now, we can easily turn on our device and use it, and we don't have to be afraid of any scratches or breaks on our screen. So thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!